Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing the different types of animations that are commonly used in the film, television, and gaming industries. Animations have become an integral part of our daily lives, and we interact with them in various forms, from watching animated movies to playing video games. So, let's dive in and explore the different types of animations. Traditional animation. The first type of animation is traditional animation. This is the oldest form of animation and involves drawing every frame by hand. It is a time-consuming process, but the result is a beautiful and unique animation. Some famous examples of traditional animation include Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs and the Lion King. 2D animation. The next type of animation is 2D animation. 2D animation involves creating two-dimensional characters and backgrounds, and animating them. This is a very popular form of animation and is used in many television shows, movies, and advertisements. Some famous examples of 2D animation include The Simpsons and South Park. 3D animation. The third type of animation is 3D animation. 3D animation involves creating three-dimensional characters and environments using specialized software. This form of animation is widely used in movies, video games, and television shows. Some famous examples of 3D animation include Toy Story and Shrek. Stop-motion animation. The fourth type of animation is stop-motion animation. This involves taking photographs of real-life objects or models and moving them slightly between each shot. When the photographs are played back-to-back, it creates the illusion of movement. Some famous examples of stop-motion animation include Wallace and Gromit and The Nightmare Before Christmas. Motion graphics. The fifth type of animation is motion graphics. Motion graphics involve creating animations using text, shapes, and other graphical elements. This form of animation is used in advertisements, films, and television shows to create eye-catching visuals. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the 5 main types of animation. Each form of animation has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and they all have their place in the world of animation. Whether it's traditional animation, 2D animation, 3D animation, stop-motion animation, or motion graphics, each one offers a different way to tell a story or convey a message. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.